Reporting for the Augusta Free Press, I'm Chris Graham. I made a field trip to the Augusta County Government Center of Verona today to catch up with Francis Chester, a Churchville attorney who has been leading the legal side of the county citizens' effort to block the 2009 county reassessment. Chester hand-delivered letters to the Office of County Administrator Patrick Cofield and Commissioner of the Revenue Gene Shrewsbury today. The letter to Cofield requests that the county administrator rescind an order barring petitions to the Board of Supervisors regarding the reassessment from being placed in county libraries. The letter to Shrewsbury requests access to worksheets on behalf of 250 county property owners who have signed petitions detailing the work on their individual reassessments.
There's got to be a basis for it. They're telling me that they don't have a basis for it. All they have is a sheet that came up with their answers. I don't want the answer. I want the mathematical formulas that go into determining how we wound up with most lots in our county at $60,000.
Now, Shrewsbury informed Chester that her office did not have the worksheets he had asked for and directed him to Blue Ridge Mass Appraisal, the Stanton-based private company that conducted the reassessments for the county on a $570,000 contract. Chester had told me earlier today that he had been given the same direction by Shrewsbury in a phone call and had followed up with Blue Ridge Mass Appraisal and had been told by someone at the company that they would not be able to produce the requested information for a month or a month and a half. I've left messages with Blue Ridge Mass Appraisal to talk through the reassessment issue myself and have not gotten a return call as of yet. Now, what Chester's really trying to get at with his request to Shrewsbury and Blue Ridge Mass Appraisal is information on how the reassessment was done. Chester has talked with numerous county residents since signing his name to the countywide fight last month and has heard from several people whose acreage has been assessed at the same basic rate.
Now, you're going to tell me that a parcel of property that has 2.2 acres and another one that has 0.25 acres, some that are up on a cliff that only goats can climb, and others that overlook the beauty of our Shenandoah Valley, are all worth the same price? Under the law, each piece of property on God's earth is unique, and therefore they have to determine each unique piece separately and distinctly.
The letter to Cofield is on a more basic point.
We've got cases on point that show that the state is wrong in preventing people from protesting their grievances. And what better place to do this than at the libraries? This is a place where civic is brought to the forefront. What better thing than having people protest their grievances against their government? And here we have a government official that denies the people these rights.
Both letters, to Cofield and to Shrewsbury, demanded immediate action, with Chester telling both he would file petitions in Augusta County Circuit Court on Wednesday if appropriate steps aren't taken to address the issues raised. Reporting for the Augusta Free Press, I'm Chris Graham.